Just landed in Bali? Don't get stuck in long lines or caught off guard by airport rules. Here are the insider tips that will make your arrival smooth, fast, and stress-free. Immigration. Before you fly, apply for your e-visa on arrival online. This saves you from waiting in long payment lines at Ngurah Rai Airport. Have your QR code ready and your passport valid for at least 6 months. Customs declarations. Indonesia now uses a digital customs declaration form. Fill it out online up to 2 days before arrival and just show your QR code at customs. No more fumbling with paper forms. Airport transport. Skip the overpriced taxis in the arrivals hall. Instead, head to the official Bluebird taxi counter or book a ride on Grab or Gojek using the pickup zones outside. You'll save money and avoid scams. Currency exchange and SIM cards. Don't exchange money inside the airport. The rates are low. Use a local ATM instead. Need data? Buy a Telkomsel SIM card in the arrivals area for reliable coverage across Bali. Baggage and arrival hacks. Label your bags clearly and snap a quick photo before you travel. If you're worried about security, consider using the baggage wrapping service near check-in. And just like that, you're ready to step into paradise stress-free. Want more smart travel hacks like this? Hit subscribe and never travel unprepared again.